Here is a number that should stop you in your tracks. Your body manufactures between 5,000 and 10,000 abnormal cells with the potential to turn cancerous. Every 24 hours of your life, thousands of your own cells cross a line where they could spiral into a serious threat. And yet the vast majority of us live long, healthy lives. Why? But here's the catch, especially after the age of 60. This defense grid doesn't run on luck. It runs on fuel. When that fuel is abundant, the system operates with precision. Abnormal cells are caught. Genetic code is repaired. But when that fuel runs low, holes appear in the armor. After 60, the margin for error shrinks dramatically. I'm Dr. Sarah Vance, and today we're going to explore 7 specific. Let me be clear, this is not about curing cancer. This is about empowering your body's natural design to prevent it from ever taking root. Your genetic code is under constant attack, and your cells have enzymes to fix it. Second, apoptosis, or programmed cell death. Every cell has a built-in self-destruct button, and cancer must disable it to survive. Fourth, anti-angiogenesis, which starves potential tumors by blocking their blood supply. Fifth, detoxification, where your liver neutralizes carcinogens. There is a sixth process, clearing out toxic zombie cells that accumulate with age and promote inflammation. Let's begin with food number 1, broccoli sprouts. This is the single most potent anti-cancer food you can buy. The anti-cancer power of garlic centers on a molecule called allicin, which forms when you crush or chop a clove. It activates the same NRF2 pathway as sulforaphane, meaning eating them together is even more powerful. Allicin-derived compounds also induce apoptosis in cancer cells by exploiting their metabolic weaknesses. Always let crushed garlic sit for 10 minutes before cooking to allow the allicin to form. Food number 3 is turmeric. It suppresses the master inflammatory switch NFKB, reactivates the tumor suppressor protein P53, and inhibits the enzymes that allow cancer to spread. For seniors, curcumin has a remarkable dual effect on telomeres, the protective caps on your chromosomes. It inhibits the enzyme that makes cancer cells immortal, while protecting telomere length in healthy cells. Curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own, so always consume it with black pepper, which boosts absorption by up to 2,000%. Food number 4 is wild-caught salmon. It's the richest source of the omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. These fats shift your cell membranes from a pro-inflammatory state to an anti-inflammatory one, producing mediators that actively resolve inflammation and promote tissue repair. DHA can directly trigger cancer cell death, and EPA blocks the formation of new blood vessels that tumors need. Food number 5 is medicinal mushrooms, specifically shiitake, maitake, and reishi. They contain beta-glucans, which train and activate your immune cells, putting them on a heightened state of alert. Shiitake's lentinan is so effective it's used alongside chemotherapy in Japan. Maitake can increase natural killer cell activity dramatically, and reishi attacks cancer from 2 directions. Blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries contain ellagic acid, which blocks the activation of environmental carcinogens. They also contain anthocyanins, which can arrest the cancer cell cycle and force abnormal cells to self-destruct. Blueberries provide pterostilbin, which can trigger autophagy, a process where a cancer cell consumes itself from within. The quercetin in blueberries also helps clear out those toxic zombie cells. They contain compounds that shift estrogen metabolism away from dangerous forms and toward protective ones, reducing the risk of hormone-related cancers. Watercress is particularly potent. Studies show it can reduce DNA damage in your cells by over 20%. So how do you make this actionable? Daily aim for 2 to 3 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 to 2 cups of mixed berries, a teaspoon of turmeric with black pepper, and a serving of broccoli sprouts. 3 to 4 times a week, eat wild salmon. Throughout the week, rotate medicinal mushrooms and a variety of cruciferous vegetables into your meals. None of this requires gourmet skills. Buy frozen berries, pre-crush your garlic, and keep dried mushrooms in your pantry. Your body is fighting this battle right now. At this very moment, thousands of abnormal cells are being detected and destroyed by a defense system that has been protecting you your entire life. All it asks for is the right fuel. 7 foods. Your move. If this information empowered you, share it with someone you love.